press, rusty fork, rusty handlebar, rusty train drive, hub looses, I start from the total cleaning of this bike. You can find full video of bike cleaning on channel. Now click RNF over this fork. I remove rust by polishing past and steel wool, and after I use polishing past with a microfiber cloth, and after I polishing fork legs, and finally I give him a wax and it's ready. Terrible noise, and this fork needs service of inside too. Full video of this fork service you can find on channel. This bike stayed in outside lots of time, and they have lots of mud, rust and water inside. I need to clean everything and lubricate by new grease. Look in how dramatic condition was fork spring. Lots of dirt, mud, water and no grease. After cleaning and lubricating by new grease, you can see the difference now. Perfect. Now is train drive time. At first I remove old chain. It's so rusty, it's garbage. I have new 7-speed MTB chain, and I make quick comparison of length. And I assembly a new chain. Two tires was worn and I replaced it and replaced to the inner hoop. You can see damage on this inner tube. I apply new tires and new inner tube. I pump it and it's ready. Full video of this hoop service is on channel. So now I remove the old free wheel, clean the surface and make a quick service of this hub. And in this service I need to remove old axle nuts because they are destroyed. I replaced two bearing balls and full set of this to make this hub like new. You can see here destroyed axle nut. And now I need to find the same because we have lots of type axle nuts. I found the same nut and we can now replace it. Cleaning inside of the hub. New bearings balls. And I apply new grease and new bearing balls inside the hub. And I assembly everything. Little bit of grease, new free wheel, and the wheels are ready. I assembly wheel into the frame. And the next step is a quick refreshment of rusty handlebar. I use for it just sandpaper, water sandpaper, and after I use degreaser and unassembly taping, and I painting by glossy black spray paint. lubricating of chain and quick adjustment, and watch this. Thanks for watching.